So we've got the Vauxhall Corsa D. Problem with the heater. So when we put the ignition on, blower doesn't work. On 1, 2, 3, you get to 4, full blower. Now what this is, there's a problem with this little heater resistor. This is the new one that we get in the box. Get a little screw with it. It looks a bit like that. There it is. So we're going to swap that over. That is situated under the passenger footwell in the heater unit. Dead easy to change. Let's get on with it. Tucked away under here, we have the offending problem, which is situated behind this little plug here. There you go, look, so it's held in with the one screw and the clip. So what we're going to do is push that little tab there, push the little tab, pull the connector plug out, like that, gets that out of the way. Okay, and it's a little 5mm socket. And we'll just get that on there and undo that. There it is. Pop that out. Now this is where it can get a little bit tricky. You can see the little tab, top left and bottom right. You've got to squeeze both of those and then push the resistor to the left. So here we go. So we need to get a screwdriver to push the top tab. It's a bit fiddly because you've got to use both hands to try and do it. Push both tabs and then push the unit to the left. Slide it back. Out it comes. And it drops out. And the new one goes in from the bottom. Push it up and then slide it along until it's located in like that. Pop the screw in. Like so. And the connector plug, which we can check there, it's got a little bit of a distortion on it, but it looks, there's no melting on the plugs. The sheet's a little bit on that earth wire there, but it looks okay. We'll connect that back up again, push that in nice and firm. So the resistor pack, part number, part number is that. Got this from Euro Car Parts, retails at £31. Need your blowers though, don't you? Right, moment of truth, let's turn on the ignition. There we go. We now have blowers on 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it's all down to this burnt out resistor pack. You look at it, there's no signs really of anything on there. I can't actually see. It's got a little bit hot, but there's nothing obvious to actually see on there. We could do a resistance check across some of these terminals, but to be fair, if you've got speed on 4, you know the heater's got power, and it's going to be this little chapper. So if that's been of use to you, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.